Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Roswell, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of the Chrisley'S. You can enjoy a lifestyle of privilege, privacy and pleasure with this home. It's tucked away in the exclusive Roswell enclave of Glen Eyre. This exquisite estate has 9 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms. It's a magnificent estate with manicured and professionally landscaped grounds with heated, salt water, pebble-tech pool with hot tub, outdoor terrace with fireplace, children's playground and completely buffered from neighbors. He purchased this house in 2006 for $9 million, from Jill Robinson, daughter of J. Mac Robinson, an Atlanta businessman whom the GSU College of Business is named after. The home is 12,571 square feet. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.